This is the Marvin Camera Capstone Project. Our Capstone project was sponsored by Marvin Windows with the goal of re-implementing their end-of-line camera system. This end-of-line system is in Marvin's quality assurance phase of their assembly line and takes a picture of their product that's about to be shipped out, overlaying that image with some data, and saving that file to a file server for future use. This picture is then used to resolve any claims of missing products. The goals for this project were to research alternate solutions to the current system, speed up the overall process as it does take quite a bit of time, update the script where necessary, and design a product output page. Here is a communication diagram of our current system. As you can see, the biggest change is the Raspberry Pi and camera being replaced with an IP camera, which allows for a direct stream into Ignition.
This diagram shows our solution and the order that things will happen in this new process. So first, windows are going to be arriving to this photo taking area via a conveyor belt. Once the window arrives, a worker will take a barcode scanner and scan the barcode on the window. This sends the information to the Ignition server, which then signals our camera to take a snapshot of the window. Once we have this snapshot, it goes back to the Ignition server, where we end up pulling data from the company's database and combining it with this image. Once we have this image with the relevant information overlaid on top of it, the image is sent back to the database and also to a display screen at the workstation.
This is Ignition. This is the software we worked with throughout the semester, and it is a server-based software platform that lets you connect to any industrial device. It can control machinery, temperatures, and processes within the manufacturing environment. So this is the demo. The demo shows a live feed from the camera, and this is actually just what's in my basement right now. And the demo also shows a bunch of different information about the product. So what happens is that the employee will scan a barcode on the product, and that will be sent to the Ignition server, the product ID, and then the information from the product will be pulled from the database and displayed above here like so. So if I type in a random tracking number, I will actually get values display up here and a picture just taken as a still. And so that photo will be sent to the database and saved for insurance purposes. Now this is a camera configuration page that we created. This configuration page is where workers will be able to move the camera around in the direction that they need. So this camera can move up, down, left, right, and zoom in and zoom out. So if I zoom in just a little bit right here, we can see that in the main screen, it will actually change with it. And when we type in a new number, it also takes another picture with the saved settings. This capstone video demonstrates the use of IP cameras in a manufacturing environment. The purpose of this capstone project was to improve upon the previous design by Marvin Windows to assist with taking and storing images for insurance purposes. Our solution should streamline the process and save time. Also, it is adaptable for future needs by the Marvin team. They will take the solution and will implement this into their manufacturing facilities.